Alright, it's time for another review of Wall Street Survivor. Today is 8/28, 2008. There's been a fair amount of activity on the market today. I know that me personally, I got into my profile a little late today and made a lot of adjustments to the stocks that I had, trying to get rid of some of those not really favorable stocks to make a move into some more favorable ground and maybe make up some lost ranking. We'll take a look here, and you can see my ranking dropped a little bit. I'm at 2,604 out of 25,000 players, and my portfolio value actually went up, which is kind of interesting. I went up to 103, 148. We're going to take a look right quick at the number one and number two players in the game right now. Those are still holding strong. USA 118 at $330,321, and Blue Sky at $261,207 in value. The last trade for Blue Sky was the WB stock, which could be a reflection of yesterday unless there was some more activity there. USA again on the LVS, which has been pretty profitable. The best trade of the day was MBI. Somebody apparently made 39,000 to their portfolio. We're going to look and see exactly which stock that is. It's MBIA Incorporated, which is a property and casualty insurance corporation. They gained $4 today. They had a 52-week low of $3.62. There's a good chance that the person who made the money on that could have bought it at a pretty decent price as far as low price. I would imagine might have bought it in the $8 or $9 range and was able to sell it for $16.15. So about double the money there, and that's definitely a very smart trade. We're going to go back to my portfolio there compared to yesterday. And what you'll find is a lot of the underperforming stocks like Sun Microsystems actually tried to get away from that one. From China Mobile, which is a big time mobile provider in Hong Kong. And good company, definitely have a big subscriber base, but I don't really expect to see a lot of activity there. We had a slight drop in the oil-related stock, which is to be expected. That's related to a commodity, so it's going to go up and down quite a bit. Also picked up some new stocks, like Qualcomm, which is a manufacturer of processing chips that go into cellular telephones. Also picked up Garmin, which is a big name in GPS devices, also a slightly volatile stock. Virgin Mobile, which is a very hot prepaid phone carrier, as well as just some other various stocks just to kind of hang on to and see what happens, such as World Wrestling Entertainment and Electronic Arts, both of which are known for providing great entertainment venues for the public. As far as the big performers in the portfolio today, we had Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae. Freddie Mac, of course, doing the best. As a percentage, they were up 14% in my portfolio, and the Fannie Mae was up just under 10%. So definitely something to be excited about. A big money maker, at least in the portfolio, also was NASDAQ. This is basically putting money against the performance of the NASDAQ index. Definitely kind of an interesting thing that you can do in the game of Wall Street Survivor. I'm going to take a look at NVIDIA. They also did well today, as well as Microsoft. I'm still keeping an eye on EAG, which is the American Defense Group. Trying to see where they go. They went up 5 cents a share today, which is about $500 in additional value on my portfolio, simply because I have 10,000 shares. That's a stock that I'm hoping will go up a few more dollars over the next month or two. And once that happens, it will be a very lucrative trade for my portfolio in the game. I'm going to take a look right quick at our leaders, which are the same as yesterday, and we'll see exactly how they're doing. I have to apologize. I'm definitely slow, and I'm a little faster than Dot, but it's not one to act very right now. I'm in particular to take a look here on the list for quite a while, and we're going to see if there was any activity on the portfolio that made it go up in value. Ironically, the last trade from yesterday, which was considered to be the worst position, was LVS. Just order for that yesterday. You can see it's still the worst position stock right now. The best position was LCC, which gave him an operating capital of $68,885. If that was acted on, it's hard to say if they did or not, but definitely good. You see here they have it listed as rank 2 overall. So down a little bit from yesterday, but let's see. But rank number 1 as far as investors versus traders in the game. Take a look at traders. There's not. You can see ASCII33 is the number 1 trader in the group right now at $437,000 in value. So definitely well there. In fact, we're going to take a look. Best position and worst position was USO at 770.90. The last trade was on USO, where basically it's a short order, meaning that, you know, ASCII's predicting that that stock's going to lose value, and that seems to be a very safe bet and seems to be putting a nice little spike into the portfolio right there. Let's take a look at USO and see what that is. And that's the United States Oil Fund, which did go down. I believe that's the one that I have some stock in that was going down on me a little bit. But one big thing to definitely you can do in what's called a bull market, or a market that's losing money, is bet against certain stocks if you think they're going to go down in value, and that can actually net you some income on your real life portfolio. This has been the review of Wall Street Survivor for 8/28/08. Good luck trading, and good luck playing the game.